Okay, so dito pa rin tayo sa topic na chain rule. At meron ako ditong two examples. Example 2 is example number 3. The second example is y equals square root of 3x plus 2. The second one is y equals 4 over cube of 2x plus 1. Ang alamin natin is dy over dx. But before answering examples 2 and 3, okay, identify muna natin tong mga expressions na to kung gagamitan pa siya ng chain rule o hindi. Okay? Kung ano bang ginagamitan ng chain rule differentiation? Simple lang, composite function. So, ibig sabihin, identify natin siya kung composite function or not a composite function. Okay. We have the first expression is um, x squared plus 5x to the 8th power of this expression. Ito ba ay gagamitan ng chain rule o hindi? Okay. Dito ay gagamitan ng chain rule yan. Kasi po, that is a composite function. Kasi kung this is y equals that expression, hatiin natin siya into two functions, we can write this in this form. Y equals u to the 8th and u equals x squared plus 5x. So therefore, this is a composite function. Gagamitan siya ng chain rule. Okay? So ito, y is a function of u is a function of x. So this is a composite function. The second example, there is no need to use chain rule because we can directly get the derivative of this without using chain rule of differentiation. The second one, medyo doubt, kasi this is power may 1. Pwedeng gamitan ng chain rule, pwedeng hindi. But actually, kahit hindi na. No? Kahit hindi na gamitan ng chain rule because this is already y is a function of x wherein we can determine its derivative. The derivative of this function, if we have a parenthesis, derivative of the outside times derivative of the inside, it is useless to use the chain rule of differentiation because the derivative already, pwede na rin natin makuha ang derivative nito without using derivative of, the chain rule of differentiation kasi pwede nang diretsong tanggalin yung power of 1 and we can directly get the derivative of y with respect to x. How about the fourth one? Ito ay gagamitan natin ng chain rule. Bakit? Kasi this can be rewritten as square root of u and then u is 5x minus 8. Okay? So therefore, itong dalawang to ay composite function at gagamitan ng chain rule of differentiation. Okay? So let us answer number 2. Gagamitan ba ng chain rule? Yes. Kasi this is a composite function. So, paano natin gagawin yon? The derivative ng outside function times derivative of the inside function. O ilagay muna natin siya into fractional exponent, yung ating radical. So, y equals 3x plus 2 raised to power of 1 half. So, ibig sabihin yan, y equals u to the 1 half and u equals 3x plus 2. And then we can apply the power rule of differentiation, that is derivative of u to the n is equal to un minus 1 times derivative ng ating inside or derivative of u. Okay? Outside, derivative of the outside times derivative of the inside. Okay, outside muna, yung 1 half. So, dy over dx 1 half, multiply yung ating exponent, decrease natin, leave natin yung inside muna, leave natin siya as is siya, then decrease natin yung power ng 1 half by 1, so 1 half minus 1 times derivative ng inside, which is 3x plus 2. Yan. Okay? So we have 1 half 3x plus 2 to the negative 1 half derivative ng inside natin, which is 3x plus 2, or derivative ng 3x is 3, derivative ng 2 is 0. So we have 3, baba na lang natin to. So we have 2, 3x plus 2 raised to positive 1 half na. So this is our dy over dx, we have 3 over 2 square root of 3x plus 2. Now, medyo sanay kayong may walang radical sa denominator at nira-rationalize pa. In calculus, pwedeng yung ating ilalim ay radical na. Okay? There's no need to rationalize the denominator. Basta kung ang given ay radical form, dapat ang sagot natin, radical form din. Okay? So, ganon yung ating example number 2 in finding dy over dx using chain rule. And the second way to do that, ito. Yung second approach natin or method, we can apply dy over dx equals dy over du times du over dx. So from here, pwede natin kunin si dy over du. Okay? U to the 1/2 dy over du u to the 1/2 minus 1/2 power rule. This is dy over du equal to 1/2 u to the negative 1/2. Diniretso ko na. Okay? And this is equal to 1 over 2u to the 1/2. Or this is equal to 1 over 2 square root of u. Okay? Then from here naman, kunin naman natin si du over dx. So u equals 3x plus 2. And then du over dx equal to 3. And derivative of 3x is 3, derivative of 2 is 0. Therefore, our dy over dx is equal to dy over du, which is 1, 2 squared of u times du over dx, which is 3. Okay? And then, ano yung u natin? U is 3x plus 2. So, we have 3 times 1 is 3, 2, and u is 3x plus 2. So, ganun yung ating other way in solving the composite function using chain rule of differentiation. And as you can see, we got the same answer. Okay? That is example number 2. Thank you.